All right, this is part 2 of 6.5. This is where we're going to use the commutative property, the associative property. We're not going to do anything with the identity property, um, but hopefully you understand that from the last video. We're going to use them to solve some expressions. Okay, so I have two expressions here, and I want to see, are they equal? And if they are equal, what is the property that's being used to prove that they are equal? Okay, so I have 5 times the parentheses 6 times 3, and then I have parentheses 5 times 6, and then take that times 3. Right away I look at it and I see 5 times 6 times 3, 5 times 6 times 3. I see they're all multiplication and they're all in the same order. They're just associating differently with each other. These two are maybe like best friends right now, and then they're going to get together with this friend. These two are best friends, and then going to get together with this one. So they're associating with people differently, but they're in the same order, and they're all multiplication. So let me see if they're equal. 3 times 8, or 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18, okay, times 5. Is that equal to 6 times 5 is 30 times 3? Okay. So now I can do this one easy. 30 times 3 is 90. This one, let's come over here. 18 times 5, that's 40. 5 times 1 plus 4 is 90. Okay, so this one is equal. Yes. And what is the property that tells us it's equal? The associative. Associative property says, yes, you can group them differently, but if they're in the same order and they're multiplication or addition, they will be equal. Okay? Let's look at this one. I have 27 divided by 3 equals 3 divided by 27. Right away I see it's division. So I'm nervous here. But let's do it. 27 divided by 3 is 9 equals 3 divided by 27. 3/27ths. Not even a whole number. Okay, I could simplify that to be 1/9. Is 9 equal to 1/9? Nope, nope, nope. There's no property that says I can take division and flip them around like that. Nope, does not work. Never works. Okay, let's do 2 problems over here. This first one, Joe earned $7 babysitting and $12 mowing the lawn. I want to write 2 expressions that equal each other using the commutative property. Okay, so he earned 7 for one thing and 12 for another. So 7 plus 12. How else, based on the commutative property, could I write this? Well, commutative property says with addition and multiplication, it doesn't matter which one comes first. So I could say 12 plus 7. Does 7 plus 12 equal 12 plus 7? Let's see. That's 19. That's 19. Yes, that is good. Okay, based on commutative property, I was able to do it either way. Didn't matter. Okay. All right, now let's look at this one. Vicky earned $6 an hour for 11 hours. She put a third of that in the bank. How much did she put in the bank? Okay, so I could say, let's see, 6 times 11, because that's how much money she earned. Then she put a third of it in the bank. I'm going to times that by 1/3. Okay, so I'm going to do 6 times 11 times a third. That's one way I could do it. I could also do it 11 hours times 6 times 1/3, or it doesn't matter what I do first. It's going to get me the same answer. So this one is just kind of reading the problem and seeing if you can figure out what she put in the bank. So 6 times 11, 66 times 1/3. And the way to do that is you go like this. 66 divided by 3 equals 22. Okay. What if I would go, let's move stuff around. With the commutative property, it doesn't matter which I do first. What if I would do 1/3 times 6 times 11? So if I do this first, 1/3 times 6, that equals 6/3, which equals 2 times 11. 2 times 11 is 22. Gets me the same answer. Okay? So, this kind of tells me the commutative property also that I can multiply different things in different order. And as long as it's all multiplication, it's going to get me the same answer. Okay? So you can use the associative and the commutative properties with addition and multiplication to solve equations, solve expressions. Okay? All right, go ahead and watch the guided practice. I'll explain even more and I'll show you more about this. Watch the guided practice with your book open, taking notes if you need to, and then try the independent practice, and I'll have a video helping you, guiding you through that, and then do the extra practice on your own. And if you have any questions, come see me, please.